Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Melissa, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm going to be doing a lot of keto recipes coming up here because I've been doing the keto diet for 2 months now, 2.5 months, and I've lost 30 pounds. And I just started doing some exercising too, which has been really helpful. But I wanted to share a super easy and luxurious sort of recipe with you guys. If you're doing keto or if you're doing a low carb thing, just a new way to eat eggs because, oh my God, so many eggs. All right, so super simple ingredients. The main part of this is eggs and butter. I've got 3 eggs here and about a tablespoon of butter. I've also chopped up some fresh thyme, and we're gonna finish it with some parm. This is gonna be super good, and we're gonna salt it at the end. All right, so let's get started. We have not turned our pan on. We're gonna start with a cold pan, and we're gonna whisk up some eggs. And I won't be editing much of this video because I want you to see the whole process, because you really got to be paying attention the whole time. It's very active. And you also want to watch how the eggs change in the pan. We're going to whisk up our eggs really well. I really want to get the whites nicely broken up. All right, and now we are going to move over to the stove. Starting with a cold pan, no heat, but we're going to turn on the heat very low. And we're going to put in about half our butter here. All right, so we just want to melt it just enough so that it coats the bottom of the pan so our eggs don't stick. Do that a little lower. Very low and keep it moving. And we can add some of our thyme. And then I save some to add to the end. And when we feel just any little bit of egg sticking to the bottom of the pot, I like to lift it off the heat and clean up. Keep it moving. Basically what we're trying to do is cook the eggs as evenly as possible without getting scrambled eggs. Makes a really velvety texture. And just after that first tab of butter is completely melted, I'll add the rest. Excuse me. And take note of how often I'm taking it off the heat. We're getting very close. Add a little bit of salt at the end here. This makes me so happy. Now I know that that took a lot of work and a lot of time, but it was super simple. And this is really the kind of meal that makes you feel like you care about yourself. Because I did all that. I did all that for me, and it tastes amazing. It really freaking does. All right, there you have it. $30 eggs. Need a fork. Oh, wait, I gotta take pictures of it first. I can't eat it yet. Seriously, I've never tasted eggs like this before. This is amazing.